Hello everyone. Today we'll see the fourth technique to playing goodly at chess. And let's go. It's the technique is to choose one opening for white and one fence for black. And now we'll see. Now with the white pieces, I choose the Italian opening with e5. Now we play knight f3 at uh, getting taking the center. Knight c6. Now we play bishop c4, and it's the Italian opening. Now black plays knight f6, getting pressure on the pawn on the e4. Now we play d3, protect it. Bishop c5, developing his pieces, and now we castle. Black castle also. And now we played a very interesting move, bishop g5, and create a pin in the knight. So black played d6 and want to put the bishop on g4. We played h3. For example, black played rook e8, put the rook in the e file. Now we just played knight c3. And so you can see that the Italian opening is very simple and very cool. Just developing pieces and now very good position. Now we'll see if black don't play the move e5 and now play the move c6 at the first move. We just played knight f3, developing the knight and controlling the center. He played d5. Now we can't play developing pieces, for example, bishop e2, because the pawn e4 is a little bit weak and challenging by the d5 pawn. So we takes on d5, pawn takes on d5. We played d4, black developing his pieces, and now just developing our knight. And at the same of the Italian opening, bishop g5, and we want to create a pin e6, for example, not bishop e2 and not bishop c4, because the pawn can take our bishop. So just play bishop e2. For example, black play bishop e7, castle, castle, and queen d2. And you can see that a very good position is very good for white. That it's for the white pieces. Now we'll see for the black pieces. e4. Now we play e6. And with the black pieces, I choose the French defense, d5, controlling the center. And now I choose for my opponent the advanced variation of the French defense because I think this variation is the most aggressive for the for black. Now we don't play the move knight c6 because, as you can see, the bishop on f1 of white is very good. That our bishop in c8 is very bad. So we just play queen b6, developing the queen, knight f3, bishop d7. We want to put the bishop on b5 to exchange our bad bishop against the good bishop. Bishop e2, bishop d5, bishop takes, queen takes. And you can see that we have already a very good position for black. Okay, now we'll see after the first move, he don't play the move e4. For example, he played the move d4, just play e6, and continuing the French defense. Now he can play pawn takes d5, and you can just play pawn takes d5 and developing our pieces very good. So if black play knight c3, we just bishop e7, developing the bishop, and f3, knight f6, bishop f4, and you can see after the castle, we can after challenging the center with the pawn on c5, and you can see the structure is a little bit same of the French defense. Now we'll see after the first move, knight f3, we played e6, g3, d5, continuing the plan of the French defense structure with the pawn, castle, knight c6, d3, bishop e7, rook e1, knight f6, and as you can see, we're developing our pieces as the same of the French defense. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.